If you update Chrome, you might be concerned that the new updates could change or remove features that you depend on. Some people may also prefer to have control over what changes occur on their system. In such cases, you can prevent Chrome from updating. When you open Chrome and then click on three dots at the top. Then click on Settings. On the left pane, click on About Chrome. After that, in the main pane, you will see that Chrome is updating. If you want to stop this, follow these simple steps to disable it. For this, go to Search and type Services and select Services from the list. Then search for Google Updater service as shown here. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Then select Startup Type to disable and then click on Apply and OK button. Similarly, disable Google Updater internal services as well. Now close this services window and then open Chrome and check your Google Chrome update. You can see that the Google Chrome update is showing some sort of error. Now, Google Chrome will not update. If you want to update Chrome again, go to the same settings and enable them. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.